Hey y'all, Joe here with J-Tech. Tonight we're putting pistons in. So, alright, I'm gonna set some stuff up and I'll get right back with you. Alright, hey y'all, alright, we're back. So, we're putting in pistons. So, you always start on your number one, and you can tell your number one is the one that's all the way forward. If you look down in here, you can see one's farther forward than the other one. So this is going to be your number one piston. And then on your pistons, you're going to have a mark. On this piston, it's just a little round circle. Sometimes it's an arrow that goes to the front of the engine. And then normally, we don't have them here, but they make protectors that go in here to keep you from nicking up your journals on your crank, especially if you have studs in here. You definitely want to use those. All right, y'all. So what we're going to do now is we're going to spin the crank around to where the journal for this is at bottom dead center. That way we can get the cap on, get the bolt set for the cap. All right. And then we're gonna put our ring compressor on there. Maybe.
Just about right. So it appears though it's 3 thousandths on the outside and 4 thousandths on the
Like
inside,
so.
which tells me this
Lock it down.
just a little on the loose
Then
side.
we're gonna make sure
Oil, but it is,
that our pistons align properly.
manufacturer specification.
Slide that bad boy down in there.
This pump will be in a good position to be replaced.
They make special tools for this, but you can use a handle off of a wooden hammer.
Is to take the inner rotor out. And you want to walk around it and make sure that there are no
Tap it down in there.
or anything that shows on metal or
Then
material made.
you're gonna hold your connecting rod down here. Try not to bounce it off of your journal and scar it up. You're just gonna slide that down in there like that. And then when you disassembled your engine, you should have marked everything. You know, 1, 2, 3, depending on how many pistons you have. And then you're gonna want to put some sort of an alignment mark back on your cap and on your connecting rod. That way, you know which way it goes back together. So, and I'm just gonna put those on there finger tight for now. And we're gonna do each one of the rest of them. And once we get them all in there, then we'll roll this thing upside down so we got easy access to it. And we'll torque these to specs. And that'll be that for putting in pistons. I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.